Indigo. Fine. Now first we will start with this one. We will see how to handle radio button. Take spy on it and check what's the ID is given here, round trip radio, and also spy on it, it's one-way radio. Okay, I want to go with one-way radio. Fine. So I will click here and take the X path of this. Okay, so if you want to know the HTML properties of that particular radio button, as I told you earlier, you have to go with Firebug. Okay, it's very simple. Inspect and click on it here. You will get the properties related to that radio button and also the X path. Okay, X path looks good. It says one-way radio. We can directly go with the X path which the file path is giving us. Fine. Okay. So once after clicking, I am getting this pop-up. So how we are going to handle this pop-up? See, this is not a part of web. If you see, wait, if you spy anywhere here, you will get HTML properties related to that location. Okay, now even this page have some HTML properties. Click anywhere on the web page, the related HTML code you will get. Fine, but when you try to spy on this pop-up, you will not get any code because this part is not related to HTML page. This is a Java pop-up. It's kind of window pop-up. Okay, so these window pop-ups you cannot handle directly with the help of Selenium. Then how to overcome this situation? Because to continue you need to click on OK, which is not possible in general with Selenium. Okay, now let's see how to handle this. So Selenium guys came out with special class to handle that situation. Let's see. So before that we'll start. Okay, WebDriver, Firefox driver, and I'm hitting this Go Indigo URL with a get method. As you know, get is the method to hit the URL into the browser. So once we hit that method, the page will be in this way. Now I'll click on it and say driver dot find element by, we'll go with an X path. Select this X path here and place it here, dot click. Fine. So I'm just clicking. I have selected this X path and by that it got selected. It should select. So once after this button will be clicked and we will get this pop-up. Right. So there is a class called alert. Okay, there is a class called alert to handle this kind of pop-ups. So we need to switch from our driver object to alert class. See, to handle that particular alerts, that is not possible via driver, because driver can do the things only in the Firefox browser, but this will not come under Firefox browser. If it is under Firefox browser, this Firefox should handle this, but see, everything is blank here. So this is not a part of Firefox. If it is not a part of Firefox, then you cannot use the driver object to handle that pop-up. So you need to switch from driver to the alert pop-up. Okay, so for that, driver dot check whether you can switch to the alert from the driver object here. Is there any method? See, something like switch to. Okay, so whenever you do switch to, to where you have to switch. Again give the dot. There are many things are there. You will get to know everything by the end of the training. Now you need to switch to alert. Right? We are switching to alert. Now we have successfully switched to alert. Now for this I am creating object as AL. Okay. So now AL object is responsible to handle the alerts. Okay, you can handle the alert with the help of AL object, because I have carefully switched my driver object to alert, and I am assigning this to the variable called AL. Now AL will take care of handling the alerts. Okay, as I said you earlier, now yesterday I told you, right, if I write a equals to 4 in Java, it will throw me error, because you need to define the type to that variable. You cannot blindly define the variable without assigning any type. So even situation is here. You have switched to the alert and you have given a variable name as AL. But in Java, you cannot declare any variable without the type. So what type you need to use? That's the challenge here. But it's very easy. Don't mug up what type. Whenever you are calling some method, if you want alert, okay, see, after colon there is one text, right, called alert. That is the type of the variable for anything. Okay, so if you are not sure about what type that variable takes, so before clicking on that method, please carefully look which text is present after the colon, because Selenium guys has came forward with an easy way that they will give method name colon. They also give that what type you have to use if you define this method. The type here is alert. Okay, A caps LERT. This type you can use. So you can, this is separated by colon. So whenever you click this, only alert will come. The remaining one is the type. Okay, move your mouse here as it shows red line. It's asking to import org open some package regarding alert. Cool, gone. Alert got imported and error is gone. Now this sentence is error free. Now this AL object is can handle things in the alert pop-up. Now click on AL dot. If you want to click OK, that means if you want to click S, OK, something kind of positive responsiveness in the alert, then go with an accept. Accept says either click on S or OK or something kind of positive. Now this pop-up we got. So positive to response positive is clicking on OK, or there will be some pop-up say yes or no. Then positive in that is yes. So whatever the positive scenarios are there, that positive scenarios are internally handled by Selenium with the help of accept method. Okay, so if there is cancel, I can show you that. If there is a cancel or if there is yes, no, assume two scenarios. There is OK and cancel. In that case, if you want to click on cancel button for all the negative scenarios, we have the method called dismiss. Okay, so this is the method which impose on negative scenario. If there is yes and no in the pop-up, when you use this dismiss method, it will click on no. If there is no and cancel, when you click on this method, it will click on cancel. Basically, this was to handle negative scenarios. Okay, this for positive scenarios. Okay, but in our case, we have only positive scenario here. That is only way where you can click on OK. You have only positive, no negative here, so you can go with an accept. When you give an accept, OK will be clicked. Okay, so let me run and let's see how it's happening. Or one more thing is there. If there is a test case saying that I want to know the text present in this pop-up. Okay, so if that is your test case, you need to verify whether the text is coming in the proper way or not. For that you have the method called, again all comes under with AL object only, because if you are working on alert, then only option you have is AL. Whether you can give any AL, AM, this your wish. Object creation is up to you, whatever you. It's called some get text. Yeah, this one get text. Okay, so it will give the text. As I want to see that in the output in the console, I will give system dot println. Fine. Now the text will be printed in the output. No, I have to give this step before to accept, because after clicking on the OK, this button will go, this pop-up will go, and then my Selenium is looking for text which is not present because alert is vanished, right? So if you want to get the text, give it before you clicking on OK. It will first switch to the alert, then get the text present in the alert, then it clicks on OK. This is my scenario. Let's see now how it's. So this is also maybe your interview question. How do you handle JavaScript pop-ups or alerts in Selenium? So you have to tell that you cannot come directly, you cannot do it directly with the help of objects of the browser drivers. You need to switch to the alert from the driver, and alert class can handle this situation. As you know, it takes some 15 to 20 seconds time to open. See that alert will open now. What happened? Is it done? Yeah, Indigo offers attractive round trip. Yeah, it handle. Regarding notes, a bit, I will just write comment out here and I'll give you the code I sold, right? So let me complete till Sunday. And once the entire session is done, I will zip all the codes and I will send it to you. Okay. See, once I'll tell, if you look at the program, that's only notes for us. See, the code is itself, main notes for us. This itself says switching to alert, positive scenario, negative scenario. Okay. So what I'll do is, let me complete all the sessions till Sunday. I will zip all the code and I'll send it to you. So whenever there is a concept, I'm writing this in a comments. Okay. Based upon that, you can customize it. Okay. So this is a part of code, right? So it happens. Okay. Now it got handled. It's very fast, right? It will click directly. If you want to make the script to pass for few minutes, you can go with this option, thread dot sleep. You are making the WebDriver test case to sleep for 50 seconds. I will give 5,000 seconds in sense 5,000 milliseconds. That means 5 seconds. Okay, once you write this step, it will give some red underline. Move your mouse and say add throws declaration. Something will get added and there we go. You need not worry about this throws. Okay, this is how you handle alerts, Java pop-ups in the websites. Fine.